friends, are you passionate about becoming a millionaire? In today's video, we would be discussing ideas for 7 different types of income streams which millionaires have, how the rich make money, and which you can also develop in order to generate wealth and have a secure financial future. Friends, having multiple streams of income reduces the financial risk and provides us with assurance and confidence to lead a comfortable life. Because even if any one source of income does not work, still there are other sources which make money, and through them we can keep getting income every single month. So friends, let us proceed ahead and enjoy this video on how you can achieve financial success with these 7 income streams. Friends, the first income source is business income. For this, you can become an entrepreneur and provide a product which includes manufacturing the product and selling it for a profit, or trading, that is, buying low and selling high, thus making a profit. And you can also provide services in exchange for money. Let's talk about some of the requirements. You need some initial capital investment for starting the business, which depends upon the project size. Friends, you require patience because the business would not be generating profits from day one. You need to have willingness as well as ability to multitask. You need to be good at managing your team, and it also requires investment of your time. Initially, you need to spend time to start and run the business, and later on, as the business gets established, then you can have both money as well as time to enjoy your life. Friends, the business income can either be an active income source or a passive income source, depending upon how much time and effort you put in directly. So, for those people who want to be their own boss, want the luxury of having both time and money, and are willing to take calculated risks, they can consider working for business income. Friends, the second income source is earned income. Here, you invest your time for money. For example, in a job, you work 9 to 5 and get a salary, whether the job is a full-time job or a part-time job. Let's talk about the requirements. Your time commitment is essential for the job. Till the time you are working, you are making money. Your earnings stop when you leave the job. So, in case of earned income, one always has to put in his or her time in order to make money. In case one is not able to go to the job for any reason whatsoever, it may be due to sickness or some function at home or for any other reason, then he does not make money. So, job is a source of active income. Friends, the third income source is dividend income. This is the income which you receive as a result of your shareholding of a company. When you buy shares of a company and in due course of time that company makes a profit, then it can decide to declare a dividend for its shareholders. Let's talk about the requirements for earning a dividend income. You need to have substantial initial capital to invest into the shares of a company or of various companies. Furthermore, you need to do a thorough study of the financials and the long-term prospects of the company whose stock you are going to buy. And then you need to monitor the company on a regular basis. It may be quarterly or half-yearly or on a yearly basis. Friends, the main objective is that you need to be sure that the company is going to make profits in the long term so that you can also receive your dividend incomes. Friends, the fourth income source is interest income. It is a passive income source wherein you provide the initial money and you earn interest on the same. For example, your money kept in a bank fixed deposit earns interest for you. Also, whenever you lend money to someone, Then also you get interest income. Let's talk about some of the requirements for earning the interest income. You need to have substantial initial capital in order to create a good amount of interest income over a period of time. And initially, you have to spend time to study the different investment avenues and then invest the money. After that, your active time commitment is not required. You just need to monitor your investments on a periodic basis. Friends, the fifth income source is income from capital gains. Whenever you sell any one of your assets for a profit, then you have capital gains income. For example, you buy a stock of a company at $10. This stock is your asset. Within a few months, its value increases to $15. You can then sell the share and make a profit. So, $5 is your capital gain. Similarly, in case you purchase a house for $100,000 and within a year its value appreciates to $115,000, then you can sell the house for a profit and your capital gain would be $15,000. Speaking about the requirements, initial capital investment is required based upon the value of the asset which you want to purchase. Also, you need to invest some of your time in order to analyze and buy the asset, then monitor its price and later on sell the asset. Friends, the sixth income source is rental income. You can rent out your property to generate recurring passive income every single month. The various avenues can be investing in residential houses or multi-family apartments and renting them to families, investing in commercial properties like offices, warehouses, etc., and then renting them to businesses. Let's talk about the requirements. You need to have substantial initial capital in order to invest in land and property. Also, you need to be familiar with the area where you plan to invest for rental property, and you also need to find good tenants who can stay for the long term. Friends, rental income is a passive income source. Once you invest and have good tenants, then you can get a steady monthly cash flow or recurring revenue from your income generating properties. You can also hire a good property management firm to take care of routine matters like repairs, maintenance, etc., and thus you can have free time for exploring other avenues. Friends, the seventh income source is royalty income. Whenever you create your own asset and let others use it, then you can get a royalty income. This is basically a percentage of income which others make while they are using your asset. Some examples of assets which generate royalties can be books, music, franchised businesses, patents, etc. Friends, royalty income is a passive income source. Once the asset is created and licensed, then you can get a regular cash flow from the same. Speaking about the requirements, you need to invest your time as well as money in order to create an asset. Friends, always keep saying to yourself, I can do it. Always remain positive. So friends, I hope that you have enjoyed this video on 7 different types of income streams which millionaires have, how the rich make money. Thank you so much for watching this video. In case you have any questions, comments or suggestions, then please mention them in the comments box below, and do subscribe to our channel so that you can have the latest updates regarding all our videos. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will be uploading a new video soon. Friends, this video is for entertainment and general educational purposes only. Please consult your financial advisor before spending money for starting any business or for making any investment. Friends, in order to watch all my latest videos, do subscribe to our channel. by clicking the subscribe button. And do click this bell icon in order to get notifications whenever I publish a new video.